In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First off, let me set the stage for what Printify is all about. Printify is an on-demand printing platform that allows you to create and sell your custom-designed products online without the need for inventory or upfront costs. This means you can focus on your creativity and ideas. Now, let's dive into the design process. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is create an account on Printify. Once your account is set up, log in, and you'll be greeted by a very user-friendly dashboard. The layout is clean, and it won't take long to find your way around. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with various options. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Product Catalog. This is where all the fun begins. You'll see a plethora of items to design. This could range from t-shirts to mugs, hoodies, phone cases, and even home decor. Take your time to browse through the different categories and pick a product that resonates with your brand or the idea you have in mind. Once you've selected a product, the next step is to customize it. Click on the product you like, and then you will see an option to Add Design. Now, here's where your creativity shines. Printify allows you to upload your own images or designs, so if you already have something prepared, go ahead and upload that. Make sure the image quality is high, as this can affect the final print. If you don't have a design ready, no worries. Printify also provides built-in design tools that allow you to add text, clip arts, and even choose from a library of stock images. Play around with the different options to see what fits best with your vision. It's important to think about your audience while designing. Ask yourself what would appeal to them, and how can I make my design stand out? As you position your elements on the product, take a moment to consider the colors and fonts you're using. Make sure they reflect your brand identity and are easy to read. If you're working on a t-shirt, for example, ensure that the colors contrast well with the fabric color you've chosen. You want to grab attention while still keeping it wearable. Once you're happy with your design, don't forget to take advantage of the preview feature. This lets you see how your design will look on the actual product, giving you a chance to make any last-minute adjustments. This step is crucial because, trust me, you'd rather spot a mistake here than when it's already printed. After you finalize your design and you're satisfied with everything, you can proceed to the next step, selecting your variants. Will your product come in different sizes, colors, or even styles? Provide options to your customers. It's great to appeal to a wider audience by giving them choices. Now that you have your product customized, it's time to set your pricing. Consider the base price that Printify charges for printing and shipping, and then determine how much profit you want to make from each product. Keep your target audience in mind here too. The price should be competitive, but also reflect the quality of your design. You have your product ready and you're happy with the pricing. The next stage is to publish the product to your online store. Some popular options for selling include platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website. Printify has integration options that make this part fairly simple. You can connect your store and automatically sync your products. Finally, once your product is live, it's time to promote it. Share it on your social media platforms and reach out to your audience. Engaging with customers and creating buzz around your designs is key to making sales. And there you have it. You've successfully designed a product on Printify. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to design, so don't hesitate to experiment.